Hi, I'm Eric Charles with Xactly, and I'm joined by Alisa Kolstad from our solutions consultant team. This recording is based on a conversation we were having. Lisa asked me what was the craziest SPIF I ever dealt with on a sales team. And I talked about having a sales director walk up to my desk when I was running compensation for a company, and he truly dropped a cocktail napkin on me with a sketch out of a contest that he wanted running immediately to drive a new product for about a week. And I had to go in and manipulate a spreadsheet and a few interesting things. Remember to turn it off was the biggest thing. Is I almost paid it. Luckily I audited myself, but I forgot to put a code into the formula that I wrote to make sure it only ran for a specific period of time. And Lisa was telling me, it's like, that's real easy to do in Incent. So I wanted her to share her screen and show that to us.
Yeah, let's go ahead and walk through that. So what we're going to start by looking at is here in Incent. Everything within the system is meant for the business user. So in situations like this, Eric, where someone else comes up to you with a SPIF and they want you to create it, you or any admin is going to be able to do that with the tools that we have here. So where we are right now is our bonus builder. And what we're going to be building right now is just a SPIF bonus. So let's create a SPIF around, we want to create a big deal SPIF. So I want to incentivize having new business come in, but specifically I want my deals to be, let's say, over $50,000. And if you do that, you're going to get an extra $1,000. To incentivize that, like I said, we're only going to keep this going for a week. So let's go ahead and build it. So we'll give this deal a name. It's called the big deal SPIF. We'll tell the system it's going to be a bonus, and that's going to let us open up some other options, like how frequently do we want to pay this bonus. I really want to incentivize people to sell these big deals, so we're going to pay this every time. But Eric, to your point, you also mentioned that you only want this to run for a week. So let's pick a couple weeks out so we can evangelize this SPIF first, and then everyone can hit it. So we'll have it go from the middle of this month, the 18th to the 22nd. Now, this rule can live on your plan the entire year. So Eric, to your point about remembering to turn off that bonus rule, this is taking care of it right here. So now let's build it. All the rules in our system are conditional. So what we're going to say is if the deal, and it's coming in over here on my other screen, if my new deal that comes in is new business, and we'll put this here, and we want the deal to be above $50,000 order item, and we're going to say the amount of the deal that we're looking at equals or greater than or equals to $50,000. And then we'll generate the result right down here. So as long as a deal comes through that's new business and greater than $50,000, we have our big deal SPIF right here. You're going to get $1,000 specifically in US dollars, but we can put this in any unit type if you want. So once we save this, we can go ahead and put this rule onto our plan, and it's ready to go. It will only fire between the dates that we've identified, but it's as simple as that. Just a few clicks and we got our bonus rule.
So I could even see when that sales director walked in my office, I could have just opened up this screen and we could have done it side by side, and agreed upon the amounts and everything and be finished.
Absolutely. It's as easy as that.
Perfect. Thank you very much for your time this morning, Lisa.
Yeah, absolutely. Anytime, Eric.